Hello, my name is Ellie LoVeux and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this cracked doll inspired makeup. I'm going to start with putting on a wig and then I'm going to grab some tissues and pull them apart so they're very thin. Then I'm grabbing some Pros-Aide and I'm gluing down the tissues on sections of my face. Only at the edges of the tissues, not the whole surface, because that way you don't have a big struggle removing it later on. Then I'm taking a sticky, kind of a wet type of primer and I'm really just paper macheing it into my skin very gently. That way you get those little wrinkles which really look like cracked porcelain. And then I'm just continuing this for my whole face. The reason why I chose to do this method instead of the clay mask that I've seen all over TikTok is because I just couldn't find a white clay mask to buy anywhere. I had a pink one at home and I tried that out, but it just did not look good. So I came up with this method instead. When that's all dried down, I'm taking some white face paint and I'm just stippling over the paper mache. I'm also dragging it into my neck so it doesn't look too detached from the rest of my body. I'm taking it really lightly. I don't want it to be fully opaque because then you might not see cracks as good anymore. And I'm taking a very pastel-y pink blush and just putting that all over my face to really get that dull look. And I'm drawing on my eyebrows. I'm really just tracing my natural eyebrow and I'm just drawing one thin line. Then for the eyeshadow, I chose this pastel blue because when I think of antique porcelain dolls, I really think of soft colors. And then I'm setting my under eyes because they were creasing a bit too much for my liking. And then for the lips, I'm taking that same blush color and just kind of fading them out. And then I'm taking a red lip cream and I'm really concentrating it on the center and kind of blending it out towards the edges. And for lashes, I'm taking these blue lashes because I didn't want it to look too harsh, and then I'm blending that in with some blue eyeliner. Then for the lower lash, I'm also filling it in with white eyeliner to really make it look like my eyes are not a part of my face, if that makes sense. And then I'm drawing a bit of a shadow under my eye because there I'm applying a half lash to kind of give the illusion that my eyes are a bit bigger. And then I'm blending that in with some black eyeliner. For the hands, I wanted to recreate these articulated doll hands, but this is me using my non-dominant hand, which is why it looks like this, because I was stupid and I did the other side first, so this tutorial is kinda shite, but basically what I did is draw a line with eyeliner at each movement point of the hand, and go over it with some brown shadow and then go over it with some white face paint, and then at the end I put a bit of blush on it. If you want a more detailed tutorial on this, let me know. I will make a better video. Okay, so here's a reminder what I look like before and after. I really liked doing this look. It was so different from the things I usually do. But yeah, I really like the look. It looks really scary but also kind of still cute. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I love you, X.